Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to solve troubleshoot no connections are available problem in Windows 7. First method is press F12 key or any other key indicate Wi-Fi symbol to turn on Wi-Fi. Second method is click network icon, click open network and sharing center. Click change adapter settings. Enable both local area connection and also enable wireless network connection. Third method is click start, right click my computer, click properties. Click device manager. Click and expand network adapters, disable and re-enable both network adapters. Fourth method is click start, right click computer, click properties. Click device manager. Select computer, click action, click add legacy hardware. Check install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Select network adapters. If you have any CD from laptop or PC manufacturer, browse to select and add Ethernet or Wi-Fi driver. Or network adapter manufacturer list available, select and install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.